What's up? What up? How's it going? Blind Dave, what's up, man? How's it going? Listening. Appreciate it. Who I got here? 0 people? That's impossible. Blind Dave is all up in here. What's good, guys? Impromptu stream. Where's my water at? Where's the water at? 9 people on the chat. What's happening, guys? I love bottled vodka. What's good? 7 people. Hey, I got people all over the globe. They can't always tune in. I'm trying to include them. I'm trying to be inclusive, guys. Is that so wrong of me? How you guys doing? What's up, DubDigital people? Looks like the crypto market needs an energy drink. Damn, we all need an energy drink. See, that's the thing, man. I don't know. I started doing like some videos, prepping some videos. Since things are low, thinking about doing some altcoin gem playlist additions. Been looking at Atom. I know I owe EOS for show, but Atom is probably, I've been doing EOS the whole damn time. Atom looks cool. Probably like ICX. Interoperability. Because I think that's the future, guys. Like, I don't believe in one coin to rule them all. Blind Dave is listening. I like it. Soggy Chip, not much. Chill day. Cool. Jump up, and get down. Jump around. Hey, Relevant, what's up? Tony, what up, bro? Nothing much, man. What are you drinking, W-dubs? Man, some water. It's water. I'm freaking hot as hell today. And I'm in the closet right now. Pause. But it's true. G-Day. Doug D. Great to catch you live, mate. Hey, that's why I kind of did it, man, because I know that there's a bunch of people in Australia. They always saying, I'm sleeping. I'm trying to stay awake, but I got to go night-night. Just when nom-noms, got to go night-night. This is from our Australian homies. They're down under, guys. They're down under. I got to include them, man. Good people's in Australia. I got to get out there one of these days and do stuff you do in Australia. I don't know what it is, but I think it involves alcohol. That's what I think. 16 people in the chat. What's up? This is a kickback, guys. Kickback. We're just going to do whatever you guys want to do. It's up to you. It's up to you. W, buy that Matic dip at 80 cents? Nah, man. I didn't buy it. I got in at 2 cents. So I get that it's like a big old dip, but to me, it's like kind of like not, you know what I'm saying? So guys, like you'll see me like not continue to add in positions because I got in so low, like to continually add in my position when it's so high up, just adds to my cost basis. It's increasing my cost basis. It's a good time to get into Matic. Don't get me wrong. That's a good ass drop. You know what I'm saying? But I'd like to just spread it in other projects that I'm not in already. You know what I'm saying? Yo, bro, being with your cool shows in crypto is awesome. Hey, dude, appreciate it. Just kicking back, man. It's all good. Crypto's kind of limping right now. It's limping around like an injured crypto. Limping around, like a deer. I got shot. It's like, oh my god, it's bleeding now. It's like I got to get back home before, So crypto's doing right now. Are there hunters around anywhere? Are we due for another drop? I don't know. Scary stuff though, guys. Scary stuff. Ayo, Dub. That's my dog. Milo. Hey. God damn it. I told him be chill. No chill. My dog's never chill. My dog is always barking at people, man. Even nice people. Even dogs. I don't know what to do. I feel the parent problems, guys. For the first time in my life. Milo be playing me like a fool. Ayo, Dub. You ever look at Umbrella Network token? I think it's a sleeper. Well, it's got to be interesting now. We can look at it right now. Is it umbrella? Guys, make sure to have your tickers in there too, because I give it about 2 or 3 tries and then I get distracted. Umbrella Network, UMB. Okay, we can look at it real quick. 18 people, what's up? How you been? Guys working? You're at home? You drinking? Are you drunk yet? Just kidding, guys. You don't gotta drink every time you're on this show. You don't gotta feel pressured like that, man. I hate peer pressure. I used to get peer pressure all the time. My friends like, do it, do it, do it. And I hate that. So you don't gotta do it. But if you're doing it, that's cool too. 5 p.m. crypto happy hour. Psh, that's what's up, man. You know, everyone. There's someone. It's always 5 o'clock somewhere. There's always someone drinking somewhere. The internet lets us get all the people who drinking together. We could talk about crypto. Buzzed as hell. That's what I'm talking about. What was I doing? I forgot. Okay. Umbrella Network, 24 cents. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. This thing came down from $2.22. Wow. 222. Interesting. Fell down ever since it was pretty much made. So guys, like something like this, yeah, I mean, obviously he's admitted that this is early coin and stuff, but I don't like to catch knives. You can come up with a super mega deal, but like I like to see some rounding out. I think we are like slowly starting to level out, but it's pretty good steep like decline right now. So give it some time. I don't see any significant volume here. The one risk you do run with waiting for something to round out is like some unexpected big old whale volume would come in here and push it up like about 20% or whatever. That's just, part of the deal. But my thought process is I'd rather wait to make sure I'm somewhere close to the floor and catch that knife and like still fall to the floor, But let's see what it's about. The Umbrella Network launched on one of the largest initial DEX offerings IDOs at the beginning of 2021. This is a community-owned, decentralized Oracle service providing security and extensively scalable data solutions for decentralized finance, or DeFi. Umbrella provides access to revolutionary financial assets for blockchain app developers in the crypto space, as well as those with an interest in the real-world business transactions. Wow. Interesting stuff, guys. Let's see the website check. Securely bringing the world's data on chain. So it's Oracle, right? Yeah. Umbrella is the first truly decentralized Oracle service providing low-cost, massively scalable, and secure solutions for smart contracts. Did I miss what chain this was on? This sounds like ETH, right? Is this ETH? I don't know. You don't never know nowadays, man. It used to all be ETH last cycle. Now it's like I don't even know where this stuff's coming from. Look, there's a circle, triangle, shapes. Just kidding. I like it. 21 people. What's up? Why use Umbrella Network? Okay, we know that. Blah blah. Partners. I just care about partners right now. What's up with this? Polkadot. Oh, Polka cover. Okay, is it the dot? Is it dot? Is it dot token or whatever? Uniswap, Zoko, Huobi, Elron, Unilend. Wow. Linear. Polygon. Wow. Okay, so Polygon. It's got a whole bunch of stuff up in here. Bounce. Well, if it's an Oracle, I mean, it would, right? Yeah, that makes sense. There's a whale right there. Even whales are investing in this thing. Right? No, just regular whales, guys. Sometimes regular whales like to make money too. Shoot. It's cool, man. Looks interesting. Make sure to check them out, guys, if you're looking for a kind of obscure Oracle solution. I talked about positioning yourself around the competitors. I mean, not competitors, but like the links, like the band. I mean, I consider band not in the category of link as far as like market, like acknowledging it. But hey, I've always been saying this, guys. Like, why just fall in love with a blue chip name? Yeah, it's like a safe bet. But if people think that the function of an Oracle is useful, why would they just stop at link? Right? I mean, it's the same thing with like Gen 2 blockchains, which Ethereum was like the first one to be. It was like, why just stop at ETH? We all have stated, the market is stating that something that provides this kind of utility is useful, But hey, What do I know, guys? I don't know. What's up? Lambo still on? Adam, is the Lambo still on? Adam, of course it's still on, bro. What the hell? When the student is ready, the Lambo appears. You know what I'm saying? Get ready. Feel rich. Feel real rich, Adam. Start throwing the money in your wallet just once in a while, just like that. Start seeing green. Rub it on your face, bro. Put it in your pillowcase. Sleep on the money, man. You gotta think money. You gotta live and breathe money. And then, ta-da, Lambo, swimming pool full of money, girls twerking for no damn reason in the corner over there. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. What's up? If you're a girl, guys twerking, whatever you guys want, man. 24 people, what's up? When Lambo? Movie clips. When Lambo? I couldn't think of anything clever to say. When Lambo, we gotta wait for this whole thing to shake out. Not shake out. I think we had the shakeout. Make sure there isn't a secondary shakeout. People start feeling more comfortable. Just pull up the book Bitcoin chart, March of 2020. You know what? I'm the guy controlling the freaking controls here. Why don't I do that? You're right. You're right, movie clips. Let's look at it. All right, this is 4 hours. This is doing some short-term stuff. But I'm trying to look for like indication, guys, that like Bitcoin is done doing its thing, right? So I'm looking for some technical patterns. I think I found like a messy head and shoulders. It's a guess, but right now, this thing's got to stay above 38,000, yeah, 38,000 bucks. As you can see here, because it's like doing a resistance support flip. Holy shit. Why do this? Whatever, guys, whatever. Don't trip. It's got to stay above 38,000 bucks because it did this thing where it like fell through inverse head and shoulders. That's a reversal pattern to the upside. The only thing invalidated is if it falls through, then obviously that's not a right shoulder. So we got to keep a look on it. But that's only the 4 hour, man. You guys know I like to mess with the 1 day. Come up to the 1 day. Yeah, it's just kind of trending sideways. So we got to make sure that it holds at 38, because if it doesn't and takes it out, then who knows what happened, 32, 30. If we get to 30, then you guys know that's the razor's edge, right? Drop about 33% to like 20,000, but I think that's I don't think we'll get all the way down there. That's a mega deal. And there's a lot of sharks out here, a lot of wolves out here, institutional wolves, they're hungry as hell, unlimited money, so I think that's like not going to happen. In fact, as these days goes on and I'm seeing alts pumping, I think this might have been the drop, because look, from the ultimate high at about 64,000, whatever, and some change, all the way to the low, 52% decrease. Let's go ahead and March 2020. Look at that again. So we had a 53% decrease currently? Okay, so February 15th or 13th of 2020, Bitcoin hit about 10,500 bucks. Then on March 12th of 2020, thing dropped down 54%, 53, 54. This thing looks like a smaller version of the drop we just got done with. Look at these. Last stream, I compared them, copied it, scaled it up. It looked pretty similar. So if this dropped down approximately the same amount that had this occurred, right? The structure looks the same. Put 2 and 2 together. I think this might have been the end of it. Unless something crazy happens, then this will be more extended than the last drop. But then we have to talk about, okay, this drop is big as hell. What the hell's going on? But it hasn't done that yet. And that's why I like in charting, guys. It pays to just be an analyst. You ain't got to be a psychic. You ain't got to be reading stars, touch people's hands and stuff. Tarot carding it? Nah. You just let it play out. Get some ideas. Let it play out. Get some idea. And then you have like more confidence to make a move. Do you think Shiba will pull a Doge? Let's see. Shiba. Shiba. What the hell? Trading you? Hold up, guys. Hold up, guys. I'm almost there. USD. SHIB. What I want? Which one I want? Binance? Sure. Whatever. Binance will do. 28 people. What's up? Oh, well, yeah. I mean, will it pull a Doge? I mean, time will tell. But if Doge is doing what Doge does, and this thing is pretty much a copycat of Doge, right? I mean, it basically took the name of the dog and slapped it on the name of the coin. Sounds like it would attract the same kind of capital and investor that Doge would attract, right? Especially the people investing in Doge made some money and they see another coin that's very related, mentioned by Elon, right? It makes sense. It makes sense. What it might be doing, I mean, this thing launched out on May 11th, right? So it's only been around for 2 weeks. It deflated, obviously. Deflated about 76%. Okay, so we're probably going to make a bowl. And we see like this happening right here on the 4 hour. I mean, what is it looking at day? Day, it's not impressive, but on the 4 hour, it's doing something interesting. I think people are buying this dip. Hesitantly, though. Hesitantly. I think a lot of people... Remember, guys, what money is in here. Who's typically buying this stuff other than people who are experienced who just want to ride that meme wave? It's people who are new to crypto, right? So they saw this happen, and they're like, what the hell was that? Mom, come hold me, Mom. I'm scared. All that in a bag of chips, man. But markets seem to like self-regulate themselves because they don't have to buy it back again. It's just people, OG people who know how to trade, see this thing drop down. They'll say, well, hell, this thing will probably catch a bounce at some point, right? So you start to see some accumulation, more green popping in here, long in that bottom. And also, you guys can see there's a W forming out right here. I'll scale it up. Where the hell's the circle? Trading view. What the hell? I'm live streaming. Right? One low, two low, the second low higher than the last. And W pattern right there. You got a triangle forming. Hey, these things I've seen have typically resolved in two ways, right? You could obviously just break out, come down, do a resistance support flip, or you could fall out, round out, do another like bowl shape, and the takeoff is like delayed. But, you know, hey, this is a very hypey coin, so I think SHIB will be okay now. SHIB is a better buy now, guys. That's why I say there's a time and a place. Because, you know, I've been getting some pushback. People saying, well, meme coins make money, man. Like, why are you so against meme coins? There's a time and a place. I'm not going to promote those coins in the sky. I will promote them when they're fairly valued on the floor. But also, you know, it's a cash grab, man. It's a cash grab. Get your money. Get out. Get your money. Get out. Unisocks? Are there Uniswap socks? I need that. Unicorns and shit, man. That's dope. I don't know. I don't know. What the hell's a Unisock? It's UMB. Yeah, check that out. Sheesh. What? Oh. Voodoo Ringgit. 9% alcohol. Wow. Hey, some of those Japanese beers, man, they be having like 16%. I'm sitting over there like this, like, you know, just chilling, sipping a little bit. And then like all of a sudden, I'm zoned, dude. I'm like tunneled. And people are like, hey, are you cool? I'm like, oh, yeah. At that point, though, at what point does it stop being beer? You know? Because that thing was choking me up. What the? It started on ETH, but they switched to BSC recently due to ETH fees. Oh, okay. I mean, hey, how could a project exist with these ETH fees, bro? Like these small coins don't stand a chance if they're on ETH because no one's gonna put their money in to a speculative, super speculative asset like a small cap coin on ETH. I mean, some people will. Some people know what they're doing, but most people will just see like $40, $90. Nope. That's people walking away from ETH like that. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, you and Crypto Secret Circle still think privacy coins are in for a boom? Gonna grab some Zcash. Yeah, so like I can't speak for Crypto Secret Circle, but I don't think his like thought process changed too much on it. So like we were talking about in our interview. If you guys haven't seen, that's a good one, go check it out. Where privacy coins would have their time in the like sunshine, but it might be after like the initial bull run, right? Because like I have this theory that regulations are going to come out at some point. Like something big has to happen to bring down a crypto market. And something more than Elon tweeting, something more than a couple news clippings like China is going to stop like retail trading in Hong Kong. That's not what I'm talking about. Something brings this thing down, it's going to be crazy because there's a lot more money in it. There has to be something more prolific. So I'm thinking like, I can't prove it, but like, I'm thinking like regulations will be rolled out. In that scenario, whenever regulations are rolled out, like anything that's not privacy is probably like deflate. Privacy might increase, right? Because that's the whole point of privacy, to stay anonymous, right? There's a whole bunch of scammers in crypto. There's a whole bunch of like people like from the Silk Road days who are doing like unsavory stuff with crypto. Those people aren't just gonna comply. They're not just gonna comply. What the hell? There's OG whales that ain't doing nothing shady. That just don't like, that love the spirit of crypto and decentralization and ain't gonna play it. They're not gonna comply, right? So like when you think of it, there's a lot of people with a lot of money who really, really, really value their privacy. When you put it like that, I think there's always gonna be certain sects of people who will prefer privacy coins always, no matter what anyone says. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hold Zcash. Zcash is actually, I'm doing my Cosmos video, but Zcash is actually like integrated into the Cosmos ecosystem. You got a peg. So like, is Zcash trying to be the privacy layer on Cosmos? And Zcash is interoperable with Bitcoin. Zcash is every major exchange. Can't prove it, but it seems a little fishy to me. Oh yeah, and one of the early investors is Roger Ver. Also an early investor in XRP and obviously Bitcoin. So people know what they're doing or in that thing. Check out Trias and Tell. See. I will. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the coin market cap thing though. Can't be drawn for every single damn coin. Trias. Which one? The new one or the old one? What the hell is that about? 36 people. It's good. Where are you guys tuning in from? Mars? Dogeland? The moon? Where you guys looking from? Trias new token, $9.43. 1.6 billion dollars. I mean, dollar circulation, total supply. Hold up. Nah, I'm tripping. Those are decimals, guys. My bad. 1.6 million circulating. That's verified. 10 million total supply. So low amount of coins. This thing came down. It ran up to damn near $30. Dipped down to 5. Now it's sitting at 9. 10 million coins. What's something equal to that? It's 10 million. Damn. I don't know right now, guys. I don't know. My bad. Interesting. And this is the all platform supported server, PC, mobile. Okay, I think I read that before. Let's see did I go to the website? I don't think so. Let's see. What's up, guys? What's good, son? Nothing much, dude. You got crack on your lips, man. Just kidding. That's not you. I know. You clean up when you come to the Wolfpack. I know. It's serious business. Trustworthy, reliable, intelligent, autonomous systems. An all-platform supported server, PC, mobile, IoT, etc. native application compatible smart contract execution platform, development framework, and collaborating ecosystems. Trias aims to define a new generation of all-platform supported public chain systems. Trustworthy and reliable, intelligent, autonomous systems make people trust in machines. Holy crap, that was full of run-on sentences. I can't stop talking like this. Just kidding. I do need a drink of water. 40 people, what's up? Welcome to Cafe Day DubDigital. Welcome. Taking orders. I need your orders. And I'm going to spell your names wrong on the cup. That's just the way it's going to go. I'm a phonetic speller. Damn, I couldn't be a barista, bro. I couldn't do it. I can't spell for crap. It started in school, guys. I sucked at spelling exams. But I didn't get it. They knew what I was saying anyway, you know what I'm saying? I live on the computer. I don't need that. What am I talking about? Why am I talking about spell check right now? Tell coin. 35 people. I lost 2 people. They don't like that. They think spelling is important. Okay, whatever. Check it out. This thing ran up to... Actually, I know some people got in this thing. This thing popped up. What the hell is the price on this? Show me, dog. 6 cents. Fell down to 1.8. Now it's at 3.6. Okay, I mean, we're starting to see a divergence right here. Okay, so like sometimes price like precedes volume and vice versa, but right now I just see like a dipping on the volume pretty steadily and the price is bouncing and rising. That means that like someone with a pretty big bag bought this bottom, pushed it up, or is continuing to push it up. And people will probably jump into the move seeing the prices going up. But, you know, look, it's interesting, right? Maybe some more volume will come in because I'm seeing like a inverse head and shoulders right here. So, gotta see. But I'll probably come back to retest, do resistance support flip to like confirm. But Telcoin, not bad. Obviously a better buy. Everything's a better buy than it used to be. Everything. Smash that like, guys. Please smash the like. It helps me in ways I couldn't thank you for. In ways I can't really explain. Lambo, when artificial island, son. Damn. Do I want a Lambo or artificial island? How about artificial moon? I mean, come on. Moon Boy Lambo. Duh. Artificial moon. How's that? What would you guys buy? What are you guys gonna buy with your crypto gains? Let's keep it positive. It's been a whole bunch of crying lately. Crying? Like, you know, like snot coming down people's noses. Like, Jesus. Let's keep it positive. This is the Wolfpack. What's up? What do you think about another deep correction? LOL. I was just gonna ask you that. Okay, so another deep correction. Yeah, I mean, I always talk about the dead cat bounce. Possible, right? It lulls people to sleep. It's like a baby, man. Like the baby's crying. It's like, oh no, this drop. My crypto's bleeding, and like a really messed up. Oh, this is a bad. Ow. This is a really bad example, but I was gonna say like someone comes along, is like lulling the baby, right? The baby's like, okay, I'm cool, I'm safe now, and then someone drops it. That's a dead cat bounce in a nutshell. It could also like not happen, right? Come back. I'll timestamp. I talked about it long enough. I'm thinking 34K to complete inverse head and shoulders. Really? I mean, like, it's already kind of pumped up and formed like somewhat of a right shoulder. If it comes down past 38,000, then it kind of invalidates that right shoulder, and that idea is out of the window. But 35, come back down to 35. I don't know. You'd have to show me, Mike. 4 months back order on Thermal Spa's hot tub, Concorde 5075 jet. Blind Dave. Blind Dave, you're a man after my own heart, dog. I need me a goddamn hot tub. Be bubbling it up all over the place. Champagne, grapes, leaf fans and shit. I like it. 35 people, what's up? Bitcoin is scarce. Keep mini buying BTC and hodl. Thin out the whales slowly. Crypto junkie, the whales been eating this dip up like a mother. Dang. They been eating it up. Gobble, gobble. Turkey style. Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? Like, smart money is called smart money for a reason. They do what you're supposed to do. You know? They're smart with their money. They save their capital. They DCA the bottoms. They're beast. They're wolves. Man. I get all excited just talking about it. I'm feeling like the Big Short. I don't even know, guys. I don't know. I'm just I don't know what I'm doing this stream. It's a kickback. What's up, guys? 38 people. What's good? Junkie, that's the idea. They can't handle the collective. Yeah, you know, it's just that I don't know how much retail smart money there is. I'm gonna be real. How many are there? Because I be hearing a lot of people buying what? Now there's a green Doge. Now there's a green Doge. You guys know that? I'm gonna show you that. No, a green Shiba Inu. It's crazy. Look at that. It's green Shiba Inu. Where the hell did that come from? Is that because Elon says something about Bitcoin being dirty energy or whatever, bad for the environment? Now there's a green Shiba Inu. That's wow. You think it'll go up? You guys think it'll go up? Number go up. 1 billion max supply. Where can you buy it? Bakery swap. What is Bakery swap doing these days? We looked at Bakery swap. Bake. Waken Bakery swap. Hey. It's not showing me the charts. Hold up, guys. 40 people? What the hell? What's up, guys? 39. See? Every time I talk about the number. Oh, damn. Bakery swap. Wake and bake. Part of Bakery swap ecosystem. Interesting. Anyway, I kind of like went off on a tangent again. My bad. I'm trying, guys. It's hard. It's hard. Okay? Stay on track. Yearn. We could look at Yearn. YFI. 46,000. Wow. That was a bounce if you bought like one whole one. Woo. That's like a freaking, that's crazy. What kind of car could you buy with 10,000? You could buy, you could have got like a used, like not a Accord, a used Civic with that, man. See? One day, you buy the Yearn and the dip. It bounces 10K overnight. And then you can buy your daughter who just learned how to drive a used Civic. Ain't that the life? Ain't that the life? I like it. Yearn, obviously, it's been doing well, right? A lot of people like it. It really got popular in DeFi space, and DeFi is one of the hottest, like, I guess you would say, crazes in crypto right now. So I think Yearn is a safe bet. Didn't they suffer a vault hack, though? Like a month or two ago, I think. But obviously, everyone either forgot about it or doesn't care about it because the volume's popping up, and there's a pretty strong bounce on this. So, hey, I wonder how far Yearn will go. There's only like a few supply yet. 36,000 Max supply. That's crazy. I wonder how high it will go. You guys think like do you think like a multi-$100,000 yearn end of the cycle? Quarter mil, half a mil? That's crazy if it gets to half a mil. People are scared to buy when the prices are low. They will buy only when prices jumped up. Our psychology is very funny. Yeah, I mean, hey, I get it. A lot of people, they don't have too much to put in investing. It's a lot. You work for a paycheck. You know how it is. I get what you're saying, but I could also sympathize, right? Because there's people who just jumped up in crypto thinking it was going to be a breeze, a cinch. It's magical internet money. Doge making you rich and shit. But like it turns out to be very different. It traps people in. People can't sell because they're really in the red. They might not. Crypto has like this weird way of convincing people that it's fake money. Guys, this is real money. People are really cavalier with their money sometimes, but sometimes people like they get wrecked and they get real scared. Oh, I didn't think that could happen. That never happened to me in Robinhood. How the hell did I lose 70% overnight? Right? It is. They start to realize what they got themselves into, and it's a little realer than they wanted to admit to themselves straight up. Dow Jones is overdue for a huge correction. I would love for BTC to get 10K and XRP to 10 cents. Advanced hood cleaning solutions. So I've given up trying to predict when the Dow is going to drop because there's a whole bunch of regulatory entities, well, not regulatory, but like entities out there. This whole job is to keep it up. I mean, I thought this thing was going to drop in March of 2020 when the Dow did like tank, oil went negative, crypto dropped to hell. We looked at that on the Bitcoin chart. I thought it was done. I thought it was finito, finished, fatality. But then, the Fed came out and started printing it up. Inflated, then inflated the stock market right back to where it was, and now we're above that. So will another one come? I don't know if the Fed could really withstand another correction like that, like a contraction, like boom. I mean, that shit was like damn near Great Depression contraction. It went down like 40%, like a lot. And this is the stock market. Stock market doesn't do that like crypto. So the next one, every time you delay something in economics, guys, it just gets more and more intense, more and more concentrated, right? We've really put off any major meaningful correction in the Dow Jones for a very, very long time. So if they really let it do what it needs to do, money would disappear. People will go hungry. Food wouldn't get to the shelves. People will stop going to work. Like disorder would start breaking out because deflation basically is the evaporation of money. Because a lot of money is non-tangible, So like it's in the Fed's best interest not to get to that point. That's why I think they'll always stay a little ahead of it now, right? A little bit ahead of it now. They're much more lenient on monetary policy now because they know they got to give the market what it needs or the market's going to freaking blow the hell up, right? You would be correct in the fact that the Fed, in the circumstance, the Fed did not do their job and step in. I'm thinking the Fed won't do that because they would look negligent. And the Fed don't like looking negligent. Then the utility massive bull run starts. Yeah, I think so. But I also have another theory that a stock correction, like a massive historic stock correction, could bring the bull run down. That's another thing that it could be regulations. It could be I doubt like a country saying they ban a crypto would like stop it now because it's so much more accepted globally. But then it could also be like a stock market crash of epic proportions, where people are just like, dang, like my retirement's gone. Holy, like just pulling everything, like selling the cryptos at a loss because they don't got no more money. A lot of people's main savings throughout time, at least the baby boomer generation, has been equities or stocks. They'll start selling anything, guys. Like Dow Jones needs to stay up for crypto to do well. It's just that when will it play out? One shot Scotch whiskey makes it double please. Oh, okay. Where's the hell's my Scotch? We're out of Scotch. We're out of Scotch. We just got absinthe. Hopefully okay with that. 1 million ship to withdraw from exchange. LOL. Ship fee withdrawal expensive. Haha. So you got a mill? You got a milli? Milli? Ship? Hey. Future millionaire right there. XRP leads the way out of the ashes. Will all the whales jump in at once? Is it? What's it doing? What's it doing? 96 cents. XRP looking like a bag of milk. I was watching a Ben Askren Jake Paul fight, and they said that, and I damn near lost it. Hey, how come Ben Askren did look like a bag of milk though? You guys see that? Like, Ben, come on, man. Like, you rep Litecoin, bro. You can't be doing that. Anyway, XRP. Check this. XRP did this white cough stuff. Bounced around, fell down. Yeah, and it fell down around this. I guess this was support at 6.2 cents, 62 cents. Hey, guys, I just want you to know. This kind of happens slowly over time, so we don't really recognize it. If you don't take a second, take a breather, sit back and reflect. But look at this, guys. If you've been in crypto for at least, this year, crypto started 2021 at, XRP started 2021 at 22 cents. 22 cents. And then this thing has just rocketed up. $1.80 at its high. And let me remind you, XRP is going through a lawsuit with the SEC, United States. It did all that with all regulations and all that uncertainty, and XRP is doing it. Just notice, guys, we went from 22 cents to that. Then we corrected back down to about 95 cents. It's progression. Price progression is sequential. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So at a worst case scenario, XRP could fall down to 70 cents. That's still freaking 3 times higher than when it started the year. Sounds like good appreciation to me. Small bounce. We'll have to see, man. I can't extrapolate that much based off this chart. I'm not seeing any significant volume, but that's weird because this is XRP. Actually, now I can. We'll see. It looks like people are at least catching it where it's at. Will it fall down further? Doesn't really matter. I'm impressed XRP is doing this through the adversity. Boom, rocket, money flying. I like it. I love money flying. I love throwing up money and seeing it fall down on me. Like this. Just like in a spinny, like a chair that spins, like slowly spinning around, You know what I'm saying? You guys ever just throw your money around for fun? No? You should try it out. It's fun. Or you're playing Rick Ross. Or Dave East. It's probably Dave East. Does what kind of bourbon you got? The good kind. Why, you want some? Come on over. I got it for you right here. Right here. Right here. Damn. I knew I should have drank. Unisocks are like 50K. What? Unisocks? Is that a thing? I thought you were just talking about Uniswap socks. The hell's a Uniswap? What the hell's a Unisock? Damn, you learn something every day in crypto. 42 people, what's up? Thanks, man. Yes, Shiba to me is just a fast flip. There you go. I can't hate on it. I can't hate on it now, guys. I'm not a hater. I know some of you guys be like, DubDigital, you're a hater. I'm like, I'm not a hater. I'm just being real. I ain't going to buy that thing in the sky, but I'll buy it on the ground. Meme coins are better on the ground. Why? Because they can hurt you less. They're like a double-edged sword, man. You gotta be careful with that. You can use a double-edged sword like a ninja star. but it can also like come around and hit you like a boomerang. Gotta be careful, guys. R, untaxable, untraceable. Okay. Let's look at R. Who did this? Who's behind this? Is this the dude from Dollar Vigilante? Vigilante? Yeah. If I wanted to be like, not trying to do the accent and stuff. What's his name? I forgot. He got taken off of YouTube and stuff. Okay. 39 people. What's up? Pirate Chain. $4.31. Okay, catching a bounce. Catching a bounce. Not a lot of volume though. Might be a further down leg, but I'm saying that on every chart. So hey, it's come down a lot. If you bought up here, then hell, I mean, might as well buy down there. Not financial advice, but you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What you know what I mean? If you were tempted to get into something that's very high, ask yourself, why did I feel that way? Why did I feel like I had to jump in at that moment in time? Did I think that I wasn't coming back? Did I think that I was missing my chance to get rich as hell? Did I think with a lack mindset? Hey, probably. This is the time to do some reflecting, to fine tune that mind, get your mind right. Because we all kind of made mistakes along the way, unless you're trading Jesus. I don't see no trading Jesus name up here on the chat. So, think of whatever you didn't execute correctly, how you wanted to, and understand why you were thinking that and why you didn't follow through on the plans, so you can be more aware, because I believe that when you are aware of things, then you can solve the problem. It's when you're unaware, you don't reflect. You're liable to repeat the same mistakes over and over again. And in trading, guys, repeating mistakes is losing money. And I do not like to lose money. Someone on YouTube mentioned they heard a rumor about Hedera working with MasterCard. Yeah, probably. I mean, I've heard a few cryptos with MasterCard, but Hedera, they've got a lot more going than just MasterCard. Hedera's cancel is pretty fire. Why not? Hedera. Pull it up. I'm pulling it up, guys. Check it out. So there it is, guys. This is Hedera's governing council. These are all the enterprises that consist of their current, I guess you would say, network. They help run and secure the network by having operating a node. Hedera uses a lot of trusted big names across multiple industries to help try to ensure a decentralization as much as they can with large enterprises, but also gives people who run their projects on Hedera a warm and fuzzy that these people running this node, securing the network, are legitimate and bona fide people they know and somewhat trust just by pretty much the clout they get by throwing around their name. Avery Dennis, Boeing, Chainlink Labs, latest one. Denton's, Deutsche Telekom, huge. Boeing's obviously huge. I got friends in Boeing. I know people who worked in it. I worked by it. POS, my bad. This is big in Australia from what I understand in terms of payment processing, right? IFS, Google, you guys know who they are? Probably you do. IBM, LG, Magalu, Nomura, not sure they are. Zane Group, Wipro, UCL, Tata Communications, Swirlds, Standard Bank, largest bank by assets in Africa, and Shinhan Bank. Yeah. So, hey, Hedera's doing okay. I'm not worried about him. I walked away from ETH last September. Great concept, but poorly executed. Waiting to see who takes its place. I think ETH's going to come through because I don't think the space is mature enough to handle it tanking. If ETH fails, that's going to scare so many people away from crypto because we got the cult of ETH out here running around, man. They legit think ETH is the only thing worth having. Just like Bitcoin maxis think it's the best thing to have. It's there's a lot of them. What I'm saying, it would greatly hurt the sentiment in crypto. So ETH is too big to fail, in my opinion. It can't happen. Cannot happen. And I mean, hell, they've been working on this thing for damn near 3 years over the time they initially said it would be done. So, gotta be around the corner, right? Hey, look, guys, I used to work in like supply chain and stuff, managing like what do you call it? Subcontractor, government subcontractors and stuff. Okay, in crypto, we should implement milestone schedules. And these people should be reporting out periodically and giving like reasons as to why they're not hitting their milestone schedules. I mean, much smaller organizations get eroded way harder than ETH is. ETH is just like, well, we just ate some Pop-Tarts this Saturday. We're supposed, my hand was cramping up. Like, gonna postpone it a month. Weak. Haha. Solid points on privacy. Always appreciate your take. Thanks, dude. Anytime. Nuts. Those Aussie nuts. God damn it. Probably get demonetized. I don't know. No. I think Aussie nuts are okay. Pause, guys. Pause. Holy smokes. Thoughts on Pi Network. Let's see. 43 people. What's up? Actually, my homie who got me into Bitcoin was talking about this like last week. It's untracked. I gotta look into it more. It piqued his interest. He's a smart guy. Is it CoinGecko? I'll go above and beyond today, guys. I'll go above and beyond. You guys are real ones. 45 people. It's a random stream. 555. Awesome. What am I talking about? Pi. Pivx. Damn, it's not up here. It's not on CoinGecko? That must be small as hell. Where can I find it? What's the ticker? Make sure to include the ticker, guys. I tried. I don't know much about it, but I know someone I trust and respect talking about it, so gotta look into it a little more. Maybe you can do it. Just let me know where I can find it. It's not on CoinGecko or Cointelegram. So why do WAN swap pools go inactive? Like WAN Uni, WAN Sushi, etc. They need a larger swap and pool list. Pools? I don't know. I think like I know there's some go inactive like for WASP, like in the Hive, because it goes like obviously they have to like change it from week to week for some reason. But do they not have pools? They got liquidity. So where the hell's liquidity come from? I'll ask the dudes. I'll ask some dudes on the WAN chain team what's up with that. Good questions. Don't know. B Pro. People be loving B Pro. Be loving it. Appmaster be loving it. B Pro. Oh, now I'm on CoinGecko. Oh my god. Now I'm all messed up. Just kidding. Okay. B Pro took a dump on the sidewalk, guys. Fell down to 0.0047 cents. Wow. Well, obviously, guys, if you were into buying B Pro up here, this looks good. Looks good. They got the website. I'm pretty sure I've been on this website before. I can't remember to save my life. Build the future of gaming. 10 public products, 50 projects using, infinite possibilities. I like that. It's catchy. I don't want cookies because I'm a real G. Trusted by these great companies: Chainlink, Pokemarket, Anchor, Elron, Moonbeam. Okay. Code-base for gaming, robust libraries, decentralized, chain fast and scalable, all networks. Okay. Build anything. How many are there? BPro token model. Utility token that enables token holders to set up applications on BPro, participate in the network, and earn token rewards by providing value. Some of our backers, yeah, that's good stuff. Blockground Capital, Moonrock Capital, Gangsta Capital, Ganexa Capital. That's a Gangsta Capital. You Trust, Shilling Capital Partners, and NGC. Okay, that's cool. I don't know too many of those. League of Legends World Championship live coverage. What? Oh, that's a big one. Hey guys, I used to. Okay, so I got tired of my defense job, and I was trying to get in the gaming industry, and I live in SoCal, and the people who make League of Legends, Riot Games, right down the way in Santa Monica. Man, I tried getting there. I had like 3 interviews, didn't work out. But League of Legends is huge, huge. That's the reason I got into Gods Unchained, because they have some devs that used to work at Riot Games, working over there. So I don't know. That's interesting to see if they have a hookup with League of Legends. That's a huge esports game. Interesting. Be Pro looks nice. Check it out. How many is there? 10 billion supply. That's a lot of coins, but it is what it is. Okay. 42 people. What's up? Ah, here it is. Lane Brown, there's a fixed amount of WASP which can be minted in each block. The reward must be split among active pools. It's the multiplier on WAN swap. Yeah. And I know that WAN Chain is looking to mix it up on like its liquidity schemes and stuff. So it's subject to change, but right now I think that's how it's going. When do we admit we are at crypto market saturation point? Winston Wolf. Well, where's the data? Why do you say it? Why would we be at market saturation point? Like, what kind of penetration have we had within the general population? How many people do you think actually have a crypto wallet, know how to navigate crypto, buy it, sell it? Would you say 100%? Because that's what saturation is. 80%? Like, to be completely saturated means everyone and their mom is using crypto. I barely know anyone who uses crypto, even my mom. I don't know about you. Do you guys have any really technically inclined grandmas out there? No? Okay. Then how can we be at saturation? That's just my take on it. Absinthe, please. You got it. You got it. My Lambo dreams are at Honda Civic levels at the moment. At least we could be realistic, guys. Honda Civics, drive like a top. That was my first car. And I still got it. Why? Because, guys, the bear market is for making money. We spend money after the bull run. You know what I'm saying? There's a time and a place. Hunker down, save up, invest it, grow it, blow it up, ball out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna grind it. Grind it hard, but Honda Civics are hot. I thought it was a beast. Driving around listening to Drake and stuff. You're like, yep, got a car and shit. That was good. Just remember, blockchain ain't going nowhere. Why would it go back in the bottle? You know, like, why would blockchain, which is like a step in technology, like above and beyond anything we've seen before, why would people just stop using it? You guys want to go back to horse and buggy? Because we could. You guys want to go back? Yeah? Sound good? Every time your horse like breaks his leg, you gotta kill it and shit? You guys want to go back to Pony Express? Takes about a year to get your mail. Guys, it doesn't happen. Whenever there's a technology, it's like Pandora's box. It doesn't go backwards. People can't live with less. People will like freak out. Nah, not going away. What do you think about Sia Coin? Sia Coin, where's that? Where's it at? Sia Coin. Okay, so just really quick, I was trying to get my family photos uploaded, like storage and shit, you know? And I was looking at like big retail solutions, and it was like Amazon and stuff, and I know they steal stuff. And I then turned to like a decentralized solution. Sia Coin, it didn't look very user friendly. I couldn't even figure out how to use it. I think it's more for like, is this more for like big data and like big company storage and stuff? Because it wasn't that user friendly. I'm looking for the one coin that is like the overall. Well, I don't know. Then I talked to someone who like, no, storage. Yeah, there's like Sia coin, storage, Filecoin, and a few others. I'm looking for the one that's going to be like the Dropbox, like very easily used interface. I think there will be usage for like large enterprise and corporation adoption of like centralized cloud storage, but that's not the first thing that's going to get going. But Sia Coin has been doing it. It shot up high as hell. Didn't give a damn what I thought, right? So from an investment standpoint, it's been performing. It's came down really, really low and it's doing something like a resistance support flip right here on the cyclical high on February 12th of 2021, right? So that has to happen before it makes its real big impulse up. Hopefully, I don't know, maybe it'll come back down and test here, but I mean, this is kind of an intense drop, right? I think the next one's going to put us damn near up to the all-time highs. Coin's been around a while, not a rug pull. Native utility token, SIA blockchain-based distributed decentralized cloud storage platform. SIA acts as a secure, trustless marketplace for cloud storage in which users can lease access to their unused storage space. Yeah, it's just to me, man, like any of these decentralized storage coins, I'm looking for the one that's user-friendly. And like what people are used to dealing with Dropbox and stuff like that. Like whatever has the easiest user experience, I think is the one that's going to take off. Every exchange seems to like Filecoin, but I heard people saying they like storage as well. So, gotta see. But in terms of like these storage solutions and stuff, guys, if you're looking for a way to make, say you come up on some money from this bull run, which most of you probably will, what are you gonna do with it? You're gonna buy a Lambo, just a Lambo? Because that's not an asset. It's a liability. Cost you money. Investments, assets, keeping wealth. You gotta position in something that throws cash off. So if you wanted keep your leverage of crypto with that money, but wanted to make a cash flow business, maybe you think about actually providing data storage in a warehouse or wherever you keep it for a SIA coin, for a Filecoin, for storage, and you're getting paid in crypto. Just an idea. I thought about that. Probably want to start like a crypto business with my friend at some point. Also, like I was thinking about those power coins, store of power coins like Power Ledger, Energy Web Token. Yeah, Power Ledger, you get paid for like providing decentralized power, like from solar, wind, water, whatever. So I was thinking about that. Any truth to exchanges Any truth exchanges blacklisting mixed coins, considering mixing to new address another cold wallet. I don't know if that's true, Blind Dave, but I definitely could see it happening. Mixed coins is kind of like a no-no when it comes to, authorities being able to tax and trace and provide a safety from anti-money laundering, like cartels and stuff don't use cash, But hey, I would just use a DEX at that point, man. Not financial advice. Not trying to help you like do whatever, you know what I'm saying? But like at the end of the day, DEXs. Use a DEX. There's a DEX for everything under the sun out there. Pretty much. And now we got DEXs that mix multiple chains, so it's gonna get easier and easier. But I'm not condoning mixing, guys. I don't want that on my name. But I'm not judging y'all. Y'all do what y'all gotta do. Y'all are adults. I'm here. I think Bitcoin scarcity is fake scarcity, but as long as people believe in it. Crypto Knight, why would you say fake? I mean, there ain't that many of them. There's only 21 million. You think they're just pumping it out, like printing it like fiat currency? I don't know how they would do that, but I don't know. I just know people who like buy Bitcoin and don't touch it and haven't touched it. I'm curious. Why do you think it's fake? Exchanges before regulations? Question mark. Oh, you mean like do you think Blind Dave, I'm trying to understand what you're saying. Are you saying that exchanges are going to do crackdowns before regulations, act like a de facto regulation? Maybe. I mean, we have no power to stop them, right? The SEC's down with it because they only regulate us when they want to take things away and never like stop the freaking fudding and tweeting and crazy headlines, right? So yeah, I could see that them pushing through some kind of mandate because, like, at the end of the day, the exchange doesn't have to accept your funds. They don't have to let you cash out. But we do have a decentralized alternative now that we didn't have last cycle. I'm telling you guys, learn how to use the DEX. It might just save you. Please look at Bond again. 45 people, what's up? An hour and 60? No, an hour and 6. Hour and 60? There ain't no hour and 60? God. Bond. Bonded finance or oh no, you like that bar and bridge. Okay. There's 10 million. Is this for like if you want to buy a barn? I don't need a barn, man. I just want to like do a little garden, you know. I don't think I need like livestock and shit. But for those of you who want a barn, this thing, 10 million coins, almost $30. It's not bad. This thing dropped down October 2020, has yet to recover. It might bleed down like to, what is this? Actually, no, it's a pretty good spot. But again, like I don't know too much about it fundamentally. BarnBridge is a project that expands the functionality of DeFi to make it more flexible and efficient. By tokenizing market fluctuations exposure to risk, it can reduce volatility by conservative investors or increase it for day traders. BarnBridge enables traditional risk management tools and fixed income instruments on DeFi market. The main focus is driving cryptocurrency risk into tranches so market participants, depending on risk profile, can invest. Okay. So this is like it's like a decentralized like investment product fund. Like, I don't know. Let's see. Tiers the risk for how like speculative people want to be compared to like preservation of wealth. Tokenized risk protocol, fluctuation derivatives protocol for yielding high. What the fuck? For hedging yield sensitivity and market price. What does this look like? I'm not gonna connect the wallet, but Compound, Aave, Cream, Aave Polygon. Pools. Sorry guys, I don't know exactly how this works. This is like USDC Compound pool. Interesting. Looks nice. There's a farm. Dang, I'd have to dig into this some more. It looks cool, man. What is this on though? Root Labs. Okay. I have to look into it more, but interesting stuff, and there's only 10 million. So this is pretty low cap, pretty low market cap quantity, right? So interesting. More regulations are coming. Big Brother has to get their cash somehow. Yeah. Government always wants their pound of flesh, guys. Always. Even if it leaves you fleshless. The OXT surge today doesn't look like a typical OXT bounce. Yeah, OXT bounced a little bit. I saw my blockfolio. Up 13%, sitting at 43 cents. Well, dang. That's a big old influx of money right there. It's pretty interesting. It's not the biggest one we got, but someone's at least coming in and buying around 35 cents. 35 cents isn't a bad buy, guys. I picked mine up at 25, but that was damn near last year. So not as low as my position, but pretty damn close. And OXT likes to do this once in a while. Bang! Within 2 days, went up like 400%. So with that said, we'll have to see with OXT. But my position hasn't changed. Haven't sold my bags. Not gonna sell my bags. I can't wait for this thing to go off. All I say is this, guys. If you're an OXT, know the nature of your asset. Like, what does it do? Just zoom out on this all chart. See what it's done in the past, because most likely it's going to act the same in the future. We know OXT likes to be very exponential, blow off, and then it comes down, spends most of the time on the ground. That's what we call an oscillator. Okay, so if you know you have an oscillator and it hasn't, well, oscillated yet, what do you do when it does? I'm waiting. You pull profits, because this thing ain't going to stay up in the sky because it's showing you that. Why would it do something that doesn't do and it's not natural for it to do? So just FYI, guys, know the personality of your investments as well. Too many shit coins popping up like it's 2013. There was more in 2000. There was more on the other side than 2017, because there wasn't that many like that many altcoins like there was in 2017, right? 2013 had like Feathercoin, Darkcoin, Litecoin, some other coins, probably. You know what I'm saying? 2013 was pretty early. But hey, I hear what you're saying. I think that was Harvest that got the vol hack or exploit. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't all up in a urine like that, or really any of those coins at the time when it happened. So I think okay, I said that already. The OXT bump today doesn't even look typical bounce. Suddenly, lots of volume. Whales, maybe. I mean, maybe. It's a good asset. Sometimes assets get dropped. And there's also a lot of new money in OXT because the way it pumped up the first time, a lot of people rode that thing down. You know, like OXT was like one of the main search key terms on YouTube for a while. As far as like crypto when it first blew off, because of Barstool Presidente had a lot of exposure. Talked to his Robinhood group. They followed him over into crypto. They made a lot of money. And they thought this was stocks, and they thought it would go up forever, and it didn't, and it came down. They got caught in it, knew enough not to sell it at a loss. It rose up again, and then they thought probably got recovered whole, and they thought it was going to blast up again, and it fell down, right? So, and I just realized I said all that without you guys seeing nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, with that said, I think OXT kind of got oversold. And I think there's people sitting out there who said, damn, OXT's oversold. That might explain the volume. I mean, you don't see people do that with bad assets. Love the YFI BTC chart. If charts have memory, then it's a beast. Most textbook head and shoulder pattern ever from last year. YFI BTC. Dang, I mean, YFI, if DeFi continues to do what it did early on, you know, like in this cycle, YFI might be that like one of the most highest priced coins. But it has a lot to do with the supply, guys. It's not that it's better. Like, price doesn't always mean better. There's metrics that, like, there's different variables in coins. Supply, market cap, you know, like stuff like that. 40 people, what's up? An hour 14. Crypto is real fake money. As how many real world transactions are done by crypto after 12 years? Question mark. As how many real world transactions are done by crypto after 12 years? And how much of its transactions is just speculators buying, selling, holding? Crypto Night. I mean, look, so Crypto Night, this is a new asset class and price discovery. People will use crypto after we fairly value it. I'm not going to let it go. You know, most people aren't either, but I know that crypto, Bitcoin, there's different communities, man. Bitcoin Cash uses their stuff all the time, and it's big in Asia. You know, there's parts of the world that uses crypto a lot. Just because people in America or the West ain't doing it doesn't mean that's what the whole world's doing. But hey, currencies change and take time to change. Lots of time to change. And it's only been 12 years. It's only been 12 years. A foreign technology that no one even knew existed solved a very, very old problem. People are still learning what Bitcoin is. You know, there's a learning curve. We got to teach people. This ain't just like MasterCard. You swipe and it's done. You know, so hey, you're entitled to your opinions, but I've only seen an increase of crypto spending. Crypto.com, swipe. Coinbase has a card now. Gemini has a card now. BlockFi has a card now. I call that progress. OXT, Zcash are working together. Shh. That would explain why Zuko Wilcox, Electric Coin Company's founder, was speaking at the OXT private summit. Figured something was going on. Zcash is all over the place. Tell you that. Zcash is all up in Cosmos too. They're moving and not saying nothing. Tricky. Yo, bro, what do you think about OBYTE? I don't know shit about it, but it looks like it has a lot of upside potential. OBYTE. It's from 2017. What the hell is this? Obyte? Where can you buy it? Bitrex. Okay. Bitrex has some old coins. Obyte is a distributed ledger based on directed acrylic graph, or it's a DAG. The team claims that it's due to absence of blocks and miners. Access to Obyte ledgers is centralized, indeterminate, free. Okay. Obyte claims to be the first DAG-based cryptocurrency platform to support dApps. It's the first, but is it the best? Due to the absence of miners and blocks, the team claims that there's no risk of front running and other miner manipulation. Okay, I gotta see the website. But yeah, I mean, if history repeats itself, this thing can go up a lot. It got into the 1,000? Oh, there's 1 million coin supply. That's why. Okay, website. 42 people, what's up? A ledger without a middleman. Obyte is a distributed ledger based on directed acrylic graph, or a DAG. Unlike centralized ledgers and blockchains, access to Obyte ledger is decentralized, indeterminate, free, as in freedom, equal, and open. Bonded stable coins. They got like an app that's cool. This is a team that look like nice guys. Exchanges, Bitrex, Bitrex is like the only one I really like know. The partners, where your partners at? Partners, come out and play. No? Okay, they don't want to play. Can't find it. But interesting. I mean, damn, 10 million coins. This thing's ranked number what? 582 on CoinMarketCap. And it ran up to damn near 1.2K. Interesting find. Yeah, I don't know much about it either, but it's on Bitrex. You make the best Teslas videos. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Yeah, Teslas don't have that much media, I noticed. It's like I'm gonna make a Teslas video. That's crazy though about Reno. You guys know about that? Reno, Nevada is starting a Tezos DAO on Tezos. Yeah, Reno, Nevada in America. It's crazy. They're gonna they've already designated some properties that's gonna generate cash flow, and people who hold a Reno coin, which they're gonna make on Tezos, will get paid like passive income. What? That's wild. Tezos is hot. Even though it's kind of been, late blooming and shit. See it. That's crazy. Yeah. This thing double topped and bang. All the way down to under $3. Really? Hey, Blind Dave. You pick up any more XTZ? I know you be baking it up. Tezos Baker and stuff. But yeah, I mean, look, steady incline on Tezos. People are staking it. That's why these staking coins, people hold a lot. They don't sell like they would any other coin, right? because there's incentive to hold it, like an economic incentive. I don't think it's the end, but we got to get above like what was $11, $10. Damn, this thing hit 10, $11 last time. That's crazy. I've been staking my XTZ delegated stake for like a year. Not bad. Over time, it adds up. 2030 Great Depression. Liquidity crisis. See, but I've been thinking like, what's the dollar going to look like? The purchasing power of the dollar going to look like in 2030? I rather think, and I don't rather think, but like I do think that we gotta stop saying rather. I do think we would see instead a inflationary depression. That's the only kind of depression of America hasn't had yet. Like we've had deflationary, Great Depression. Now we need the inflationary. It would just round it out all nice. And and everything is pointing to that. Like if the Fed continues easy money policy and continues to print the world reserve currency, the world's going to be forced to transition to another world reserve currency. It's probably going to be Bitcoin. Just saying. I already heard something like that. I got to find the news article. They're already mentioning like hints of, oh, it could be this, right? But if that happens, guys, like the dollar's not going to get stronger. You know what I'm saying? And in fact, it's in the United States' best interest to inflate the currency so they can pay back their debts with play money, fake play money. How's that feel? You guys like that? If I did that to my friends, they'd beat me down in the street. Yo, bro, what do you think about okay, I said that. You checked it out. Crypto's real money. It gets work done, represents assets, creates intrinsic value, physical value. Hey, look like a bag of milk, and he was boxing like he was in the 1930s. Hold up. Ben Askren. Damn, man. Hey, Ben has a crypto podcast. He does with Litecoin Johnny or whatever. I met Litecoin Johnny. I think his name's Johnny. We gotta do it. I know it's on here somewhere, dude. Ben, Big Ben, looking like a bag of milk. I don't know, man. Like I feel like he could have took him, but he didn't come ready to go. But he did come off of hip surgery though. I know he just took that money to put it in crypto. That's what he did. That's what he did, man. He wasn't trying to win that. He was like, I need to get my bags up. I gotta get my moon bag right. 41 people. I lost my spot. I hate when I lose my spot. Why do I lose my spot so much? Okay, I'm almost there. Pieces from Melbourne, Australia. Thank you. I did it for the Australian peeps, man. I know you guys be trying to watch my streams, but it's too early. Data to retest all-time highs in June. Data got popped. Data got popped in half. It's looking like Ben Askren out there. Bag of milk and stuff. Okay, I said it too much. I know. Data. And you guys on Data TV? Or whatever, streaming? I know people be up on Data like that. Price $6. This thing was at the highest, sitting damn near $14. So it's more than half off. I remember this thing was 12 cents. God damn. But it's okay, guys. Happens, happens. You can't get it all. But Data, if you wanted to get in, the 1 billion max supply. Data is a good project. Partner with Samsung. Can you mine Data using a Samsung TV? I'm pretty sure you can do it. Do you guys know how? Because I was like staring at my TV the other day. I was like, how do I do this? I'm like, just turning on and off. Damn it, I'm not close. Data looks cool. I think it could break out. I think it will break out because, it's one of the closest competitors to the decentralized YouTube. There's a bug on my monitor. I'll be killing bugs. I'm savage. But yeah, Theta. It's cool. I don't know how far it will go, but it's got a big following. It's done so much already. It's already attracted the attention. That dip's gonna be bought. Not financial advice, but you know what I mean. HBAR chart compressing. Gonna go or gonna blow? Let's see, Winston. It's a cool picture. Pulp Fiction. I like that movie. The hell was it? What was I doing? I started talking about Pulp Fiction and shit. HBAR. Oh yeah. Oh guys, see the dip? It's affecting me, guys. It's affecting my mental. 25 cents. 25-cent HBAR. Hey, guys, I've been saying, like, since this crash, I'm thinking like 14-cent HBAR. Look, this is looking pretty choppy, pretty volatile, like, and it's drifting downwards. We're making lower lows. Zoom up here. I don't even know what the hell that is. Volume's not coming in. But even if it does get down to 14 cents, is that horrible? I wouldn't mind that. You know what I mean? I wouldn't mind it. So, yeah, I'm just not seeing tech. I'm not hating on HBAR. None of that. None of that. None of that, guys. I'm just saying that the technos look at it drifting down. If it can continue to drift down, I wouldn't think it's weird. If it hit 14 cents, I would be welcoming an opportunity. Because we just looked at what HBAR has going on for it. And it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild. Can we expect a UMA video anytime soon? Oh, yeah, guys. I meant to ask you this. So, I'm kind of like not sure what to do. Do you guys want the regular, like, coins? Do you guys want me to do, like, another, I guess it's time to do, like, another altcoin gem, like, series. I'm already starting with Cosmos. But is that what you guys are into? What are you guys into? I don't know. Help me out. Help me out. How can I serve the pack, guys? I need to know this. But UMA, as far as like a video on UMA, I gotta come like find out a voting mechanism. You guys follow me on Twitter? Make sure to follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna probably throw out like polls and shit. We gotta democratize this shit. Follow me on Twitter. It's DubDigital 2U's right here. See me? See me right there? See me? That HBAR swag right there? Hot. But yeah, I'll probably send something out regarding altcoins, and then that way I can like do what the majority of people want to see, besides like the things I think are killer. But UMA, hey, UMA's looking like back on the floor. This thing took off from $11 to 33, sitting at 14, looking cool. I think of anything, this is like one of the more undervalued DeFi solutions because it was newer, right? So UMA, or Universal Market Access, is a protocol for creation of synthetic assets based on Ethereum blockchain. UMA was launched in December 2018. 1 second. Moment of silence. Okay. Synthetic assets are a class of assets that represent different underlying assets and have the same value. UMA specifically enables its users to design and create self-executing, self-enforcing financial contracts secured by the economic incentives and run them on Ethereum's blockchain. Okay, that's really freaking it's a lot of words. A lot of words, man. Yeah, it'll be interesting. Be interesting. But more than that, I'd like to know how we're gonna go about picking coins for the altcoin gem playlist. Because I'd like to do it something people want to see. But once in a while, I do reserve the right to push something in your face and be like, look at it. Look at, I know you like your coin, look at it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we need that. Pull up, grin. OG Mimble Wimble and constant inflation, 1 coin, 1 second, no pre-mine. Yeah, I mean, I remember Grin. Grin was the OG Mimble Wimble. But then like it got implemented on Litecoin, right? And then people stopped like talking about Grin. because Litecoin was like the Mimblewimble play at that point. Mimblewimble, guys, is a I'll be saying this shit like you guys know what I'm talking about. Mimblewimble is like a privacy protocol. It gives like coins the ability to keep transactions private. Can you like switch on and off privacy? Think so. But yeah. Grand 74,000. Oh, so it's all out? Yeah. 74 million coins. That's not that many. This thing came out 2019, so that was the bear market. This is actually a good look. Because, I mean, this thing started in the bear market. We don't know where Grin's supposed to be. Grin's an older coin. Grin probably lost some momentum in terms of, like, getting attention. But at the end of the day, I mean, it went through the worst of the worst and still survived. And is showing signs of life. You know? It's just that it's a late bloomer. But with that said, if this thing starts popping off and we get a crazy altcoin season like in 2017, only 74 million coins, where can you buy it? Gate.io. Sure. Oh, wow. They don't have it on Major? They don't have it on, like, on KuCoin? They gotta have it on KuCoin. Yep. They got it on KuCoin, Bitrex. I'm just kind of biased to, like, exchanges Americans get on, guys, because, you know, that's like my shit. But 40 cents. Not bad, man. What was all-time high? I mean, we don't know. We don't have one. It just dropped from $11. Highest point it got was in 2019, still in the bear market, rose up and hit $6. Yeah. This one could come out of the woodworks. I agree with you, J-Dog. J-Pog, my bad. My bad, man. Jeff Berwick, yeah, that's the dude from Dollar Vigilante. He got pulled all up off off YouTube, but he like hosts the Anarchapulco, which is like a conference that a lot of people in crypto and like economics go to regarding like pretty much freedom and stuff. Crypto easily fits in there all the time. But yeah, Jeff Berwick, what's he doing now? I know he has like a website. I gotta pop in. Jeff be acting angry as hell on YouTube before they took him off though. Jeff be like, the government, Sometimes I watch people, I'm like, dang, this is better than TV. HBAR Chainlink. Yeah, I mean, that's good. I talked about it on my last stream, I think on Sunday. HBAR linking up with Chainlink, pun intended, was good. It's good for everybody, right? If we could have a common like data oracle between even technologies, DLT technologies, that means you have consistent data. Consistency is good for the whole ecosystem. You don't want all these disparities and stuff. And I mean, Link's a market leader, and Hedera. So really, Hedera is going to be able to like sync up with the blockchains, probably create bridges all over the place, and just be like passing things between the hashgraph and that. To be honest, guys, this is the way I see it. Okay, so I was thinking about like how would hashgraph fit into like all of this, and like I think hashgraph is like the private blockchain. Like it's going to be the private blockchain system, meaning like corporations, companies, anyone who wants to be able to tailor whatever, like tailor it to a T, it's gonna be attracted to hashgraph, especially because it's finality, like it's what do you call it? Low transaction fees and stuff like that, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's pretty much a comprehensive solution. But with that said, I think it's gonna hook up to public blockchains. That's why we're having this all this interoperability. That's why like we still have public blockchains like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like all that stuff. Everything has a value. Like people would say, okay, so what are you saying? That like the majority of the money is going to go into public blockchains? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that things have value for different reasons. I'm not going to speculate to say how much HBAR is going to go. It's hard to tell. I just know there's a lot of people, a lot of money in it. Not just a lot of people, a lot of corporations in it. Okay, I'm done my tangent. 33 people, what's up? I'm also anarchist like Jeff. There you go, Flat Smack. Give him hell, bro. Anyone with market cipher envy can find free version called VMC on TradingView, FYI. Hmm. I think I'm not catching the point. Market cipher envy. I don't know. I know what that is. My bad. I've been wanting to go to an Acapulco the last 4 or 5 years. Un dia. Yep. One day. I hear it's fun. I mean, how much of a bad time could you have, like talking about freedom in Mexico next to the pool? Sounds fun to me. Get a couple drinks in me. Dancing and stuff. I'm getting loose. I'm feeling good. The crowd loves it. I'm dancing. I'm dancing on them like crypto dances and shit. Like throwing my money up. Bang. You want a sat? Bang, bang, bang. Oh, they're loving it. I'm having a great time. Getting a little tired. Put my feet in the water. Lay back. Get fanned. Get fanned by my lovely wife. She's feeding me grapes. The dream, baby. The dream. HBAR. Money long term. Hey Chris, what's long term though? I always wonder what long term is to different people. We all have different takes on it. Like it's subjective. What is long term? DubDigital. Dad Master J, what's up, man? How you been? We looked at B Pro already, so sorry about that. Interested in his traveling citizen outlook. Jeff Berwick? Yeah, I mean, isn't it weird that we have to like, I don't know, pledge allegiance to a place we were burned just because of geography? I always thought that. I was like, man, like what the hell? Like, I didn't choose to be here, dog. Shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Seems a little weird. I feel like I don't know. I feel like it's old. It's an old concept. Let's be real. Without Ethereum, there would be no DeFi or NFT right now. That's true. I'm still pissed about the freaking gas fees. I'm unforgiving about that. I'm a nice dude to him. You make me lose money. Now all up in you. You know what I'm saying? So like, hey, I give credit where credit's due, but what have you done for me lately? Gotta know. Dub, take a look at Smegmar's. Smeg the Stallion. She got a coin now? Its audit came today and it's going up, up, up. You can see the chart on PooCoin. What the hell is a PooCoin? Smegmars? PooCoins? Eddie, what is going on, bro? Let's talk about it. You okay, man? PooCoin. I'll look at PooCoin. Full of shit, Eddie. What's going on here? Well, I don't. Do they have apps? Oh. I don't know. What is it doing? Oh, it's BC. Okay. This is the chart thing, right? Hey, why do they call it PooCoin, man? I've been looking at some of these crypto projects. I'm like, oh my God. I could do so much better, bro. With the branding. Whatever. Let's see. What is this? Smegmars? Holy shit. What? There's gonna be so many Doge coins out there. Wow. This thing's going up. Smeg the Stallion. She's popping off. Can you chart on this? I don't know. 37 people. What's up? Just looking at like, charts on PooCoin and shit. Pun intended. Yeah, this thing's popped off. It's pretty interesting. When did it start going? Can you see dates on this? Can you get out of my face? Damn, this thing started taking off at 12:30. Wow. Well, hey man. Yeah. I bet you it comes down. I will wait for it to come down. I would want to do a resistance support flip. At least up on here, like the 0.000007. Because I mean, I think it would be a pipe dream for it to like stop here and go when crypto is so uncertain right now. I'm thinking this is like euphoria, come down, test back to reality. I think ultimately go higher, but you know what I'm saying. There's a sequence to it. 38 people, what's good? How's it going? Man, I was talking about Mexico and I want to go. I need grapes. Grapes taste better when they're fed to you, you know? And like conferences are better when you're wearing like a Hawaiian shirt, the top 3 buttons undone. Crypto dreams, man. Crypto dreams. You reckon Matic will hit $5 this year? How'd you come up with that? Like, I'm interested. Like, why 5? I think we'll go high, you know? I mean, we already hit what, $2? Right? So like, yeah, why not? That's only like a double. That's only a double. And Matic's been going insane. It's been going up and Bitcoin was tanking. So like, yeah, but why 5? Why stop there? You know? Why not 10? Why not 20? You know? Just want to let you guys like think about it, right? Like, you're gonna hear a whole bunch of people saying, "Oh, like this, XRP 100,000." Yeah, maybe. Like, why that number? Like, just make sure there's a basis and rationale to why you think things. Because what people tend to do, and I've seen people get hurt a lot, is they come up with a number in their head just based off of I'm not sure what, and then they wait and they hold until it comes, but they never really take into account that it's unrealistic to begin with. You know, so it's important to be realistic because it pretty much determines if you sell and when you sell. And I'll tell you what, crypto will go up. I'm bullish on crypto, but it won't go up forever. You know, but yeah, I mean, what Matic? That's just a double from where it's at right now. Yeah, Matic's hot. Matic's hot on the tongue. Not financial advice. Doesn't Pi not run on an actual blockchain? Oh, I don't know, Gary. Is that true? Is that true? Then what does it do? Why are people buying it then? I don't know though. Thank you, DubDigital. Anytime, man. Vet short and long term projection is a great use case. Yeah, I mean that's a good fundamental. This poo coin shit is funny as hell. But that I mean has the fundamental thing that ironed down. Like I just talk about every single stream. You know, China, Walmart. That should be it. Oh yeah, and then there's Sam's Club and other shit I don't know. You know, VeChain's doing it. RFID tracking, warehouse solutions, supply chain management is a huge problem. Why do I know that? Because I used to work in supply chain management. It's a mess and a half. I went in there thinking like, oh no, everything's all good. Like people deliver parts on time. People like know where stuff is. Nah. It's like, what the? Where's my parts? Where's the parts? Oh yeah, we didn't make it. What do you mean you didn't make it? It's in the contract. No. Chill. What do you mean chill? Man, it'd be easier if we had an RFID solution implemented so I didn't have to trust this dude over at a company waking up, driving drool off his face, telling me what's up. I could just type in the code. It's a huge problem. I know this. Okay, VeChain, 11 cents. Yeah, I mean, hey, if you're looking to get into it, this is a nice little drop. This is obviously went past the golden pocket. I'm just eyeballing it, but yeah, it's taking a bounce. I mean, there's coins that I'm hesitant to jump into after a bounce because I'm not sure of it like dropping. This is ones that I'm more confident in getting into because I understand the long-term fundamental use case for it. VeChain happens to be one of those. So when it comes to VeChain, in my opinion, it's not a question if it pops off again. It's just a question of when. You know, so it'd be nice to nail the bottom, but you don't necessarily have to. You know what I'm saying? Just split your money up, work it in. If you're scared of a further drop, if you don't really not going to sweat it because this is a pretty good discounted price for you, then, you know, drop the brick. But hey, VeChain looking good. I like it. Best farming platforms you suggest? I mean, I like WANSwap. I like WANSwap because I can use different capital I have, or collateral. You know, like it accepts different blockchains that I own, so I can use more portions of my assets instead of just like one single token. I like anything interoperable, to be honest, because I can do that. I could like really concentrate my money onto the platform and make use of all my digital assets. Not all of them, but you catch my drift. I have more options to get heavy with it. I also like I did Balance Network on ICX. Again, another interoperable protocol. They have a token called BAL. There's only 6 million of them. And I think they're still doing their like promo increased rates and stuff. But right now, BAL, guys, I'm gonna give you a little pro tip. I'm gonna help you all out. Why? Because I'm just a nice guy. I could stuff my bags and be quiet. But I ain't like that. BAL's only like $5. There's only 6 million of them. It's ICX's first DeFi protocol, which means it's probably going to be the only one around for a while. ICX is huge in South Korea. I actually have some. I'm going to work with the South Korean blockchain government to do like smart contract work for them. So with that said, I'm not going to tell you what to do. BAL's $5. It only takes 6 of them to be on the 1 million club. You know how you need 21 Bitcoin to be in the 1 million club, meaning no more than 1 million people on the face of the earth ever could have more Bitcoin than you. You just need 6 of them. That comes out to what, $35? Hey, don't know about it. Then what else? Well, okay, so I'm really excited for Gravity Dex, which is Cosmos's Dex. Why? Because it's interoperable. Any kind of DEX that is interoperable, in my opinion, can absorb more money than a single chain or a 2-chain can. Why? Because people don't just have 1 or 2 chains. You know, they got lots of chains. And anything that could like group that up, that's more money. More money in the network makes the network more valuable. More money in the network makes the DEX like more transactions going through it. You know what I'm saying? So like, I like those. I want to be involved with those because I've said I think interoperability is the future. What's the point of having all these blockchains and they don't say anything to each other? I don't know. I love B Pro. I know. That's why we covered it, man. Pi is a cell phone mining token, ? Is Pi even traded yet? I don't know. I know my homie talked about it though. You guys remember? I don't know how long you guys been with me, but like I did a show from his house one time, crypto and coffee show, business baby and stuff. Maybe you guys saw it. I'm not sure. Price won't matter in 5 years, just that you're in. That's true. Blind Dave says this because Blind Dave knows the end game. Blind Dave knows exactly where all this goes. Print to infinity means that there's infinity fiat money being pushed into a cap supply of assets. I mean, that's where the $10 million Bitcoin comes in. Do you guys believe having 0.1 Bitcoin would be $1 million? And the reason there's not just going to be one coin, guys, is because there is so much money all over the system, sloshing around. There's already like quadrillions, not trillions, quadrillions of derivatives, just derivatives. The market cap of crypto was 1.5 trillion. Now it's under $1 trillion. So when you put it like that, there's going to be some asset appreciation going on. Oh yeah, there's going to be more than some. There's going to be a lot. So over the next 5 years, Blind Dave's saying a lot of that money is going to find its way into assets. And crypto is kind of like an asset that could absorb almost infinite liquidity. Gold and silver, it's good. But the problem with gold and silver is it's not as divisible as Bitcoin is. You split that thing up, 1 Bitcoin into 1 million pieces. If we had to work the whole world's economy on 1 Bitcoin, we could do it. You know what I'm saying? So like gold and silver, you can't split it up. Like you can't have a one fleck of, you know what I'm saying? So like at some point, gold and silver will be unattainium. Crypto will be that ever-soaking sponge, just sucking it in. Backed by Gangsta Capital. Ha. Hey, they don't like to talk about it. Where you get that money? Don't worry about it. I know people. Dub, we are eating. Wolfpack. Nom nom nom. My stomach just made a weird noise. Hopefully you guys didn't hear that. That's weird. I shouldn't have ate that Taco Bell. God. I used to be a massive league player. Got to Diamond 2 in a season and stopped playing because of the toxic nature of the game. Now my only hobby is crypto. Yeah, Spooky Black Fight. I used to play some League of Legends just to like brush up. Like when I was doing that, like they live and breathe that shit. So like when you interview, you better play and you better know. But I was playing a lot, and some of those dudes are mean as hell. I know they're kids. They be saying crazy stuff, making me cry, bro. And I'm a grown ass man. They'd be like, "You suck, bro." I'm like, I don't suck that bad. Like, now you're horrible. Kill yourself. And I'm like, damn. Walk away from my computer. Reminisce about times I never came. Just kidding. But they are freaking mean, man. I don't need that. That's negative. Spooky, nice spooky. Respect that. Hey, what other hobbies do you guys need besides crypto? That's it. That's all you need. Jogging? Screw that. Yoga? I want to hear it. Crypto. Go ham. So many people only buy crypto on Robinhood. Most people can't operate a wallet. I know, man. Like, I didn't even know that. Like, I'm over here sending stuff through Dexes, like going between chains and stuff. WAN. People are like, what's a WAN? Like, I guess I came up in a time where you didn't have a choice. There wasn't easy options like that. Like, when I got crypto, my friend got it for me. I don't even know how I got it. I was like, can you buy me a Bitcoin? He's like, yeah. How many you want? I was like, how many should I get? And then like we talked about that, and I was like, okay, yeah, give me the Bitcoin. Yeah. Oh, whispering and shit. And he got it to me. I'm like, where's the Bitcoin? And he's like, give me a CD. I'm like, what the hell is this? Ain't no wallets. There were only a few exchanges. They got hacked all the time. People didn't know how to store it. People threw their computers away. All kinds of stuff happened. But now we're seeing the reverse end of it, where people never learned that. They don't know how to be responsible. They don't know the risk of keeping it on like centralized control. They don't know it. It's kind of scary because you guys know that whatever happens in crypto is final. Wasabi Dub, I like wasabi, man. I love wasabi on some like what I get sushi. You guys like sushi? I like what Alaskan roll? Nah, screw that. Rainbow roll. I be chowing down. Me and my girl. Nom nom nom. Main developer also did Polka markets. Now is the time to buy. Hey, is Bpro a Polkadot project? Because I'm not exposed that much to like Cosmos and Polkadot and those like why would I not be exposed? Because I like interoperability, right? Yep. We're gonna go over different projects in Cosmos ecosystem in the video, guys, that I am working on. How did you go from a desk job to trading full time? Was there a number in your head you wanted to reach before you switched careers? So like I was in a bear market, so I didn't really have a number, man. I was just socking shit away and not doing anything. You know, just 3 years of my life, ain't no big deal. But yeah, I was just saving like a madman, saving. I got to a point where like my job was getting crazy, man. Like I used to work like 60, 70-hour weeks, and like sometime it wasn't even enough. But then, you know, I just kind of got to a boiling point where I couldn't do it anymore because I was trying to focus on crypto and like other stuff. And once you get like to a point of leadership, like in a company, it's all day, bro. Check your emails in the afternoon, like during the freaking weekend, taking calls at 7, 8, you know, like it was just not where I wanted to head, you know. And Thankfully, though, I saved up enough. As far as the number, I would say you should do it by expenses per month, right? So like, no, you need to have a detailed list of all your expenses. List it out, everything, how much it is, if it's recurring. If it was for the year, I usually take like that sum of the year expense and then divide it by 12. So it's like a per month, just fits in nice, right? And then you look at it and like, for per month, this is what I need to be responsible for. And if you need to pay for like whatever, like in terms of like healthcare, you need to factor that in, put a margin, and then like, yeah, bump it 15%, 10% above what you need. So you have like a cushion. And then you look at it, and it has to do a lot with your risk appetite, right? But like I had a partner that was also bringing in some money at the time. So it wasn't that like, oh, I need to save up like a year or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It was like probably like a quarter or like 4 months or something. But the reason is, man, I knew where we were in the cycle, and I knew I could make money trading crypto if I had to. Even, like I could scalp some stuff here or whatever. And then, hey, that would never was a problem because the timing was good. Like I started this shit, man, per my theory on the 4-year cycle. That's why I believe in it so much. Like I stepped off the ledge and there wasn't nothing under me, but I got caught. So when people say that the 4-year cycle is like not true and stuff, it's like, oh, damn, I'm gonna need a lot to prove that wrong to me, because I kind of started this hope and a prayer, man, and 4-year cycle was right there on time. But I would say like 6 months to be prudent. But depends, like if you're good at trading or not. If you need to learn, you probably need more. I'd say you would need to start learning trading while you're at your job. Like learn at your job. Once you step away from your job, there ain't nothing there to save you. That's the problem. And you don't want to learn under pressure like that. You want to at least be able to execute and fill gaps if you have to. 34 people, what's up? My wife finally bought into Bitcoin. I think I'll keep her. Damn. I love it when Wise buy Bitcoin, man. Hey, Lane, was she sweating you? She used to sweat you? Hey, I gotta say though, my wife, she like, I was like stressing in 2013 about like if I should buy a Bitcoin, because like at the time I wasn't a lot of, like I didn't have a lot of money like that, and she was like, "Nah, just do it." And I was like, "Okay." So she's like OG crypto investor too. I like that. LOL. Yearn 90K. Socks 160K. Sheesh. 8 hours. What is that? You're saying that's what it's gonna go to? 90K? Damn. XRP prediction. Well, as long as you understand it's a prediction. Let's be straight up. It's a prediction. But if I consult the stars, I'm thinking like, what did it hit last time? I'm gonna do the 10. I'm gonna do my same old shit. Well, okay. You guys might not like it. Would a $34 XRP be crazy? I don't know anymore, guys. I don't think that's crazy, right? I take 10, factor 10, apply it to the last all-time high from last cycle. That gets us a nice round number of $34. Reason I say that is because Bitcoin from last cycle to 2 cycles ago to the last cycle, 20x, 1,000 to 20,000. Ultra's supposed to move higher than Bitcoin, but let's just say that the gain was anemic. Half of that, $34. I don't think it's that crazy, man. When you look at Doge went from like -5 decimals to 34.70 cents. Do you know what kind of multiplier that is? That's more than 10x. So like with that said, man, we know XRP moves up a lot like Doge. Shoots up to the sky, really parabolic, then comes down. Let's look at Doge. So when I talk about oscillators and knowing the personality of your investment. Wow. It's moving up a lot, huh? And there's 2017, guys. Voila. Doge made its all-time high in 2017 look like a mother-snuckin' joke. So we go back. And XRP is not even above it yet. We know they move the same. That's my thoughts on XRP. That's why I still hold it. People talking about the end of the bull run, selling half portfolio. What is your personal strategy? And can you do a BTC dominance analysis? Maybe also will go wild. Oh yeah. I know how to do that. Let's see. What's Ship doing? What the hell is Ship doing? Ship's dinking around on the bottom down there. Okay, hold up. Sorry, my computer's breathing heavy and stuff, guys. Trading. BTC Dom. Cool, yes, I'll do that. What are people saying? Oh, they don't have that little thing. Okay. Get out of here. 4 hour. You ain't gonna do that. Okay, hold up. Oh, snap. Well, that's a... I don't know. Is that a head and shoulder? I'm not sure. It might be. You gotta see. But like, I see a little something right there. It's a nice bounce, though. I was talking about it hitting like 50 up here. Like, bouncing up. And it didn't do that, but it got damn near close. Let's see. Yeah, like right there. So we were about 2% away. Not bad. I mean, let's see what happens right here, guys, on this 4 hour. This thing looks like it wants to turn down a little bit, but on the daily, I bet it doesn't look like that. Nah, it doesn't. Okay, yeah, so look, guys, we came down from Bitcoin dominance. This thing fell out of this like descending triangle, and we're grinding at 61 for a while. I would say, what, 2-3 months? Then Bitcoin dominance took a tank like I thought it would, dropped down 34%. But, you know, nothing goes down straight. Like, that would look weird, right? I don't see many charts that do that. This thing bounced up about 20% of Bitcoin dominance, meaning money from altcoins was flowing into Bitcoin, which would explain why Bitcoin dumped less than most altcoins did. Because people sell their altcoins in times of, like, panic and uncertainty for the digital gold, Bitcoin. That's why I talk about having both types in a portfolio, because typically when Bitcoin rises up, alts are suffering, and when alts are rising up, Bitcoin's not doing much or suffering. Well, not suffering, not doing much. You know what I'm saying? Some alts don't care, like Matic and whatever the hell. What was it? I forgot. But yeah, what were you saying? People talk about it. What's my personal strategy in selling? I'm probably going to sell 2/3. I'll probably sell 2/3. Maybe like 80%. I always want to have some crypto. You know, always got to have some crypto, because what if a hyperinflation does occur when everyone's selling and their pants are down and their gains just get eaten up? Then, you know, one Bitcoin is going to be a lot of money. But with that said, if a hyperinflationary event does happen and people are pulling into like fiat currency, you're not going to need a lot of Bitcoin to be rich as hell. That's why I think it's prudent to sell most of the crypto, because in the event that it's a super blow off, Bitcoin never comes down again, we're looking like at $10 million a coin at that point. We're looking at infinity dollars per coin until they just switch to a Bitcoin standard. You know what I'm saying? So like in that rare, strange event where this time is actually different, I'm not going to be left out. In fact, I'm probably going to be able to still buy a couple houses. You know? But okay, what else is that? You can do a BTC dominance analysis. Yeah, so obviously, guys, the next point we got to get down to after this bounce, we might still be bouncing. I'm not sure. At some point, we're going to turn around again, continue down. That's what's going to be good for alts, right? But we're going to definitely bounce at this 36% level, because this is the last all-time high hit in January 2018 before the bear market, which is right here. This is alt season. This is the bear market. But what I want to tell you guys is this. All throughout this chart's history, this is basically shown that money over time has leaked out and stayed out of Bitcoin as the cycles progress. Because we started with all the money in Bitcoin. Then 3% went out of Bitcoin. Then 5% went out of Bitcoin. Then 36% went out of Bitcoin. But what do you notice? It's a downward sloping trend, because every single time a cycle occurs, we have a lower low. So thinking that altcoin season and altcoin growth is done here is kind of ignoring the multi-year pattern that's been playing out. So if it occurred like it has in the past, we're going to be seeing a lower Bitcoin dominance, not financial advice. I've heard DubDigital J15 say 15. I've seen DXY Investing say 12. But what I do notice is this. More and more people are starting to think that altcoin dominance ain't done dropping. That's what I think about it. Storage is legit. I'm going to save it and reinvest. LOL. KMD. Moto. I talked about this thing in like summer of 2020, way too early. Whatever. Let's see. Now, this thing finally broke out. I was talking about it out here. Sniper entry, sniper exit. But yeah, I was like a year early. This thing flew up and come back down. Well, guess what? It finally did its breakout. It's sitting on the first ledge, pretty much a support ever since. Well, now it's support October 25th, 2018. Then this thing should be making some pretty big gains. I mean, Komodo's OG as hell. So this thing definitely no rug pull, you know, pretty solid project. I like it. Less than 21 million when you account for all the lost BTC. Yeah, they're saying some number like there's been 4 million lost. There's probably more, to be honest. You hear about people having like thousands of Bitcoin on their hard drive that their wife threw out and stuff like that. They're horror stories. But yeah, there's obviously lost Bitcoin that will never be recovered or used ever again. So when you really put it down like that, Bitcoin, who knows, man? Who knows how many there really are? All we know is there's less than 21 million. Also, with that said, I think if we accounted for, hold up, I can do that right now. How many people are in the world? It's like 7.6 billion. I think I might have messed it up. Yep, I messed it up. My bad, guys. Hold up. 36 people, what's up? Bang. So there's like 7.6. It's always growing. I don't know. It's a dynamic number, guys. But 7.6 billion people in the world, 21 million Bitcoin. We're not even acting like anything got lost. And we know there has. We just can't quantify it. If all those 21 million Bitcoin were split across the inhabitants of the globe evenly, and we know that's not possible because we know there's people who have more than 0.003 Bitcoin, then everyone in the world can get only 0.003 Bitcoin. Every single Satoshi you have above 0.3003 Bitcoin is like skewing the number. We have people who have 1 Bitcoin, 5, 10, 100, 1,000, 100,000. So how little is this number? And how little is going to be left for people who don't get into crypto early on? It's a scary thought, guys. It's scary. You know, that's why they say get off zero Satoshis. Because Blind Dave is right. You ain't got to have a whole bunch at a certain point in time. You just got to be in it. 36 people, what's up? What do you think about Messari IO? Can't say I'm that familiar. Is that on CoinMarketCap? It's a ticker. It's in 2 hours? God dang. I mean, it's not coming up on CoinMarketCap, and I don't know much about it. Can't really give you a good opinion. Beyond inflation finally picked up. Institutions about to price out the peasants. Zoom. Yeah, the Fed finally admitted that it picked up. News clippings finally admitted, but inflation's been around, guys. You guys know that the government just keeps changing the way it calculates inflation. Therefore, they say there's no inflation. But there's a dude on Shadow Stats, runs Shadow Stats, basically used to do the government numbers, and he does it the same way they used to do in the 1970s. And there's I think he's been showing there's like been 10% inflation, like year on year. They tell you 2, huh? They tell you they can't even get to 2. Interesting. All I know is servings get smaller, things get more expensive, and my dollar never goes farther. So hey, LOL, bro. Profits rotating, yield farming. Bitcoin is the most scarce commodity. Once some type of regulation comes this year, over 100 billion will come in the market for ETFs. An old school investor want exposure. They do. These old school investors, they're a little sketched out. They're a little scared because it hasn't 100% okay. So all the degens, young degens out here, we're all up in here like we don't give a damn. We're all up in this shit, you know. So they're coming though, and let's be real, they got most of the money still. We're younger people are coming up, but they got the big bags right now. So once they come in and everything's cool, that's the afterburners to me. What do you think of VGX? Voyager app is blowing up with users, and there's more utility coming for holding VGX with loyalty program. Oh shit, my bad. Oh dang, yeah, you can see it. This thing went from flat to 100 real quick. Bang. 0 to 100 real quick. You know, like that song, like Drake singing. You know, I used to listen all the time. I used to think I was so cool in my Honda Civic. Oh yeah, but yeah, this thing looks like it's doing its resistance support flip. Bounced off it too, and there's significant volume, more than we typically see. So I would say that's a pretty real move. This is a crazy structure. That's a big structure. I'm looking for a fractal. I mean, it's a little strange, but this kind of looks like that right here. So you know what comes next. So I'm saying, man, like guys, so many coins on the lows, so many coins not even past their all-time highs, and you see what Doge just did. I think Doge is a canary in the coal mine. But in terms of this, man, Voyager's obviously been catching some attention. This coin obviously is catching some attention. It's a big ol' up. What did it go from 14 cents to $6? Holy smokes. What do you buy? Uniswap, hit BTC, Binance. Okay. So Uniswap pretty much. Interesting. 22 million. Milo. It's grumpy as hell. I don't know what to do with him. But yeah, I think it's cool. And loyalty program, I don't know much about it. Let's see. 37 people. Earn up to 10% interest APR. 50 digital assets. What's the loyalty program? Bloomberg's talking about it. It's all good. So guys, you're starting to see, I'm kind of straying from the point, but you're starting to see like this niche of crypto projects coming out that are regulated and playing by all the rules, and they're really tailored to an older demographic. People who technically don't really want to get involved in crypto. They don't want to learn how it works. They just want the app that's secure, that works, and gets them a constant rate of return. Because 10% on your money, especially people who are like towards the end of the demographic cycle, putting it nicely, guys, they can't be taking risk. You know, like you get much more defensive with your capital when you really can't afford volatility. And a lot of them really can't afford volatility. So they want something that gives a steady stream of income like this, 10%. I saw another one, which was what was it? Dang. I forgot what it was. But I'm seeing them pop up more and more now. And I think there will be demand. Why? Because we already know people freaking hate having to learn anything about crypto. They will go to a crypto that doesn't make them learn about crypto. But this looks like that. They have partners. I'm interested. My water at. My voice getting crazy. About investor relations. United States operating subsidiary. Does it matter? I don't know. I don't know if it matters. Governance, events, press releases. Okay, well, maybe we could find something out. Voyager Digital expands management team and announces changes to board directors. Yeah, see, guys, these are very corporate projects. These are like very by the book projects, but there will be money for by the book projects because there's people who like to be by the book. Hey, that's my thoughts on it, man. Grayscale bought 100K LTC on the dip. LTC to 10K USD by end of year. Really? How much is that, man? What's LTC at now? What did it hit? We can do the math. We're smart people. I can't get down there, guys. Let's say 160. I think it was 160, right? About 100K? Holy smokes, that's like my bag. I'm lying. That's 6 million. That's I think that's called buying the dip. Hey man, Litecoin, you know I'd be holding that Litecoin. You know I'd be wearing that Litecoin shirt. You know I got this from the first Litecoin summit. Dang. I even talked to Charlie Lee. I even shook his hand. I'm even in a YouTube video asking him a question. Charlie Lee, getting me all up in the Litecoin to the bear market. Bought this thing, tried to catch the falling knife. It fell right through my hand. I said, ow! Why you stab me like that? But that'd be sick, man. I think Litecoin is sitting on a precipice of a kind of maturity that all kind of chains reach. Litecoin's old. Was it when it comes 2014? It's old. Its network's at a point where it's getting pretty secure. It's obviously pretty large. It has a big backing. It's on every exchange. Liquidity's not a problem. It's only a matter of time, man. Like Ethereum did last cycle. I think there's some other coins reaching that echelon. You know, where it's just like they're accepted everywhere. Everywhere. You know, PayPal, all that. See, Litecoin accepted in those big point of sale. Milo. I don't know, guys. I don't know. He ain't listening to me. He turns freaking 3. What is that, like 30 in dog years? He ain't hearing nothing. I don't know. They grow up so fast. Anyway, you know what I'm saying about Litecoin. It's been around. It's on all the right platforms. It can get a lot of money flowing into it. Between Grayscale, PayPal, the Square, Cash App don't do it. But you know what I'm saying? I'm excited for Litecoin. Just don't do videos on it because, I mean, who doesn't know about Litecoin? I feel like that's done already. Any thoughts on AOA? Aurora. Damn. It's not even a cent. It's like 0.2 of a cent. Aurora holds a mission on creating bright and colorful blockchain world with fast working contracts and facilitate easy development of applications of the blockchain. The team strives to allow business form desperate industries. Oh, businesses from desperate industries. I don't know why I read it like that. To cooperate using a distribution of a fixed supply of underlying currency AOA as a means. What the hell are they saying, man? Getting me all pissed off. I can't be reading this like a fool on the internet. Whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna look at the website. But I mean, this isn't my favorite chart. It's not my favorite chart. Where can you buy it? KuCoin. Okay, so at least on KuCoin. Let's see. They better have a better description, man. I can't be stumbling and bumbling. I'm live streaming. Create a colorful blockchain world. Aurora is a centralized application platform based on third-generation blockchain technology dedicated to proving mature blockchain technology solutions for the entire industry. Okay. I like it. Let's just jump to the partners. HitBTC, Allcoin, Kcash, CoinEgg, Cointelegraph. Okay. That's cool. Who are these people? It's a US. Oh no, it's a global team. They look nice. I'd like, have a beer with them, peanut butter jelly sandwich, whatever. Well, okay, what kind of roadmap is this? It's 4 points. Mature Aurora ecosystem. What the hell does that mean? I don't know, man. What does it do? As a DEX, application distribution system, multi-party construction user portrait accurate distribution. I can't read what the hell they're writing, man. Aurora Dev Application Integration R&D Platform, Blockchain Integration Development IDE, supporting multiple development languages. Okay, there's more stuff. Multi-chain parallel network, upgradable blockchain, Demus, consensus mechanism. Okay. I'm not completely impressed, to be honest, man. Just to be real. It's not it's not the best chart. And then, like, I can't wrap my mind around this thing. Maybe I'm tripping. Crypto Knight, check out BHCH for real and sub to Roger Ver on here. He puts up videos all the time and are very informative. Roger Ver is cool, man. And like BCH. BCH works, man. BCH is like, it's just Bitcoin that does things. Like, like it does what it's supposed to do. I think Bitcoin store of value, I get that narrative and I get the whole pristine collateral. I actually like it as a collateral form better because it's like less volatile, but as far as like a point-to-point sale thing, why don't we just use layer 1? I know, I just said that. I also have a Litecoin shirt on because I think Lightning Network could be more conducive to larger like business transactions, one that are even frequent between B2B, like business to business. But from a point of sale standpoint, it's like, what if they don't have developed infrastructure to set up Lightning node? You know what I'm saying? Like some places in the world, layer 1 solutions have to work. They have to. Okay, let's see. I know I get off my freaking high horse, guys. Jeez. Okay, guys. The food has been here for a while, and it's been 2 hours. I think I'm gonna call it a night, yo. There's a lot of stuff I didn't get to. My bad. I just want to come up on her, kick it, chill out, say what's up to homies. Seems like you guys are in good spirits. I'm glad. I wasn't sure what I was working with. I didn't know. You guys have been around the block. It seems to be recovering, guys. You gotta keep an eye on it. Gotta watch what Bitcoin's doing. Like I said, I do prefer to pick up Bitcoin first. It's a market leader. But if you are getting an altcoin right now, make sure it's a super mega deal or there's some kind of utility you're getting from it where you either get passive income or something else that you think is a benefit, right? Because market leaders tend to like rise up first. But again, I do get it. If there was a completely slaughtered, oversold altcoin, I can't knock you for that. But until next time, guys, I will catch you later. Peace.